Express. What it allows you to do is have fresh pressed olive oil year round that you can make in your kitchen. So if you look right here, this is the Olive Express. A normal press is about the size of a bedroom. So to put this into perspective, this is a blender. We take the olives. What we've done is we've organically treated them so they can last up to 2 years. We put them in the press. It's softer than even a popcorn maker. Put it in, it takes about 5 minutes of work. Press the button. 1 hour later, you have fresh